Hi guys, today we make a diary book about one animal and she made about domestic animal. Bye guys.
Yeah. More than good my writing.
What do you write about?
About animal.
About eagle.
About eagle. Okay, how many animals will you write? Okay, would you mind to show to the camera? What are they?
Snake,
Okay,
lion,
okay,
and shark.
okay. So, what animal are you afraid of? Which one?
Shark and
And
snake.
Snake. Okay, nice. What about Icha? What are you writing about?
About domestic animal.
Domestic animal. What is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, so would you mind to show your pictures, the animals that you are going to write to the camera?
The first is rabbit. This one.
Okay.
And after that, fish. This
Okay.
one. Horse.
Okay.
And the last cow.
Okay, which one is your favorite?
Rabbit.
What? Do you want to pet rabbit?
No.
No?
Yeah. No.
You, what do you write about?
About eagle.
About eagle. So that one is wild animal. Okay, would you mind to show to the camera about the wild animals that you will write? What are they?
The first eagle.
Show to the camera. The first.
First eagle.
Okay, and then
Cheetah.
cheetah.
Komodo dragon.
Okay, Komodo dragon. Kangaroo. Okay, which one? What animal are you afraid of? What animal are you afraid of?
Lion.
Lion. Okay, why are you afraid of dragon? A lion? Why are you afraid of lion?
Because
Lion is cute.
Because lion has sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth. Okay, nice, good. What about you? The last person. What are you writing about?
Can you see?
Okay, what is
What
this?
animal?
Okay, would you mind to show to the camera what animals will you write?
Cheetah.
Cheetah, and then?
Lion.
Okay.
Bear.
Bear, and then?
And shark.
And shark. What animal are you afraid of?
This one.
Which one? This one?
Because I afraid when I want the gorilla, the monkey, that one or that happy so eat.
Oh, that one. So that's why you are afraid of that.